Hello and welcome to our latest transfer news. Tanzanian Giants AS Simba has made a surprise announcement with the appointment of Stellenbosch FC head coach Steve Barker as their new head coach. According to Simba, the 57-year-old coach has signed a 2-year deal with the Dar es Salaam-based club. The club further confirmed that Barker will join the club along with 4 other technical team members and is set to arrive in Tanzania soon. Barker takes over from Dimitri Pantev, who has been in charge since October after succeeding another South African coach, Fatlu Davids, who is now at Raja Casablanca. Now here's a statement from Simba. The club's board has reached an agreement to appoint Steve Robert Barker as the head coach of our team for a period of 2 years. Barker, who's 57, a South African citizen, has joined our squad from Stellenbosch FC in South Africa. Coach Barker holds an A license from European Football Association UEFA, as well as an A license from the Confederation of African Football CAF. Barker replaces General Manager Dimitri Pantev, a Bulgarian citizen, whose contract was terminated last month due to unsatisfactory performance of the team. In addition to coaching Stellenbosch, he has also managed Black Aces, Amazulu FC, and University of Pretoria, all in South Africa. The 2023-24 season enabled Stellenbosch to reach the semi-final of the African Confederations Cup. The 2023-2024 season enabled Stellenbosch to win the Carling Knockout Cup. Barker will now come with 4 assistants and will arrive in the country anytime from now. That's the statement from Simba SC. Let me hear your thoughts. Why do you think Steve Barker left Stellenbosch? Remember, he has been one of the longest-serving coaches in the PSL. Ever since he promoted Stellenbosch, his job has always been safe. He has never been anywhere near the sack. And now, remember, Stellenbosch are a selling club and they've sold a lot of players over the years. And this season, they've been struggling. So do you think that maybe Steve Barker saw that the team was struggling because they always sell players and he decided to leave? Let me hear your thoughts regarding that. So Steve Barker's 8-year tenure with Stellenbosch ends with a National First Division Championship in the 2018-19 season, Carling Knockout Cup winners 2023, 2 MTN 8 runners-up, Confederations Cup semi-final, and a 3rd place in the league 2 seasons in a row. You will leave Stellenbosch FC as a legend. Now, let me hear your thoughts. Are you happy with another South African coach coaching outside of South Africa? Let me hear your thoughts regarding that. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.